Hey, this is Jesus from TEXA USA, and today we're going to be going over how to connect to TeamViewer when requesting support from one of our technicians through tech support. So to start, once you power on your Konfort 760 or 780, you're going to make sure to be connected to your local Wi-Fi network. Once connected, click the back button in the top left corner to return back to the main screen. Now press the 4 squares on the right side of the screen to then press the remote assistance button in the top left of the screen. You'll now see a logo appear for TeamViewer. Once it disappears, you'll now see the TeamViewer quick support screen. Wait for just a few seconds until a number ID appears on screen. At this point, the TEXA technician will request for you to give them a number ID. Please provide them with the number ID displayed on the screen. Once the number ID is given to a technician through tech support, you'll get a notification on your device to allow the technician remote access. Press the Allow button on screen to allow access. You'll now see the name of your technician appear in the top left of the screen. From here, the technician will review the machine remotely. From running diagnostics, checking settings, software logs, whatever seems fit to the request at hand. Once complete, our technician will inform you of any tips or instructions for future maintenance to avoid any difficulties later on. At this point, the technician will confirm to disconnect and you can go back to using your machine like normal. Congratulations! You've successfully completed a tech support session with TEXA USA using TeamViewer.